Hey guys! In this video, we'll see how to make a unique breakfast variety. This is a very tasty and healthy recipe too. To start, add 2 chopped raw potatoes to a mixie jar. Add in 1 green chili, 1 inch ginger, pour a little bit water and grind to a smooth paste. Next, in a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of wheat flour or atta. Pour in the ground potato mixture. Add in a teaspoon of salt and mix until the potato mixture is incorporated. Now pour in enough water to get the dosa batter consistency. Mix well without any lumps. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell for more such recipes. Next, add in half a cup of finely chopped tomatoes, half a cup of finely chopped capsicum, half a cup of grated carrot, and half a cup of finely chopped onions. Combine this uniformly. You can also add in garam masala, chili powder and turmeric as per your taste. Next, heat a pan and pour a ladle of the batter in the center. Spread lightly to make the thickness even. Drizzle oil around. Cover and cook. Flip and continue to cook the dosa. Remove onto a plate when cooked well. Before making the next dosa, sprinkle a little water to cool the pan down slightly and repeat. Enjoy tasty and healthy potato dosa in an instant. Do try out this recipe and let us know how you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more such recipes. See you in the next one.